In today's video, we're going to be exfoliating the feet. Oftentimes, we tend to take care of our face, our neck, and the rest of the body, but we totally ignore our feet. Today, I have a wonderful foot scrub for you. This foot scrub is made up of ingredients that is going to exfoliate your feet, it's going to brighten your feet, and the most important thing is that it's going to get rid of all the dead skin cells from your feet and basically just leave you with baby soft feet. So if you're interested in today's video, continue watching. Now let's begin. Our first ingredient for our foot scrub is baking soda, and baking soda will have to exfoliate the feet. It will have to get rid of the roughness. Also, it will have to get rid of the odor from your feet. Our second ingredient is apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar is a wonderful foot soap that will help to loosen up the callus on your feet. I'm also going to be using some brown sugar, and I'm using brown sugar as an exfoliator. This will help to get rid of all the roughness. If you have cracked heels, if you find that your foot is like extremely dry, this is going to help to loosen up all the dead skin cells on the feet. Our next ingredient is a peppermint, which is antifungal. It will help to get rid of any foot fungus, and it will leave your feet just feeling cool and soft. The final ingredient is coconut oil, which is going to moisturize your feet. When mixed with the other ingredient, it's going to help to exfoliate the feet, leaving the feet really soft, really supple, and hydrated. Now here I have a quarter cup of brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar, go ahead and use some white sugar in this recipe. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Remember, baking soda is the same as sodium bicarbonate. And now I'm just going to blend the 2 dry ingredients together. Make sure to get rid of any lump that you might have in it. So just mix the 2 and mix well. Crush them together. You can also choose to make this mixed and put it in your refrigerator in a dry, airtight container. Just blend it in. Now once we get rid of all the lumps, our base is ready. And next I'm going to move on to the lemon. For the lemon, I'm going to use the lemon zest. So I'm just going to zest the lemon. And I'm looking for about a tablespoon of lemon zest. And the lemon zest also contains lemon oil. Really a wonderful ingredient to use on the feet. You can also choose to use dry orange peel powder, which is great in this recipe also. And this amount of lemon zest is good. And next thing I'm going to do with it, I'm going to pour it in the baking soda and the brown sugar mix. And I'm just going to mix this in. So just blend it in this mix. Blend well. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for my apple cider vinegar. And I'm using about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Not a lot, a tablespoon will do. For our peppermint, I'm using about 5 to 10 drops, or about a half a teaspoon of peppermint. And that's peppermint oil. Next, I'm reaching for the coconut oil. And I'm going to start with about a tablespoon of coconut oil. And now we're just going to blend all of this goodness together. And this is really wonderful. And here it is. And this is our foot scrub. Now this can be stored in your refrigerator for about 7 days. If you want to store this longer, do not add the lemon zest to it. You can add the lemon zest just before you use. If you store the rest of the ingredient without the lemon zest, you can have it for about 2 weeks or more in the refrigerator. Okay? So now that this is ready, the very first thing you want to do, you want to make sure to wet your feet. So once you wet your feet, like I'm showing here, you're going to take your foot scrub and you're really going to scrub your feet. And I like to start from the top, just work the scrub in. So I exfoliate the top of my feet first, and be generous with this, okay? Just make sure you leave enough for the other foot. And guess what? I'm just going to lift my foot like this, and I'm really going to work the scrub in. When it comes on to your heel, just work the scrub on the heel like I'm showing here. Just really exfoliate your feet. Just exfoliate your feet. And guys, this is gonna feel really, really great on your feet because it have all that mint and lemon in it. Ooh, it's amazing. So just have fun with this. Give your feet a good scrubbing. Don't forget to go right between the toes. Take it up a little further on the feet if you want to. No issue there. Just feel really, really good. Remember, you're doing both feet, so just leave back some for your other foot. So you're gonna exfoliate your feet however long you want. Sometimes I spend 5 minutes exfoliating my feet because I like when the mixture also soak on my feet. I like to get the full benefit of the apple cider vinegar and that lemon mixed with that baking soda, okay? So once you are done exfoliating, you're gonna rinse off with some warm water. For best result, you can also choose to soak your feet, especially if it's very, very rough, in some vinegar water before you use the scrub, which is gonna make it even better. This scrub is great to use at least once every 2 weeks for best result. So I'm just gonna rinse my feet off and I'm gonna come back and show you my result. Amazing, really, really amazing. And take a look. This is my feet after exfoliating. It is feeling very soft. Now after exfoliating, the honest truth is you don't even need to moisturize the feet. The fact that it feels so soft and so moisturized. However, you can choose to use some more coconut oil, just a little, or use your favorite foot lotion on your feet for best result. Now, to maintain this softness to your feet, make sure to wash your feet every time you take your shower. When you get out of the shower, use some lotion, some Vaseline, some olive oil, some coconut oil on your feet, and your feet will look soft and nice always, okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Go ahead and give this foot scrub a try. If this was the first time watching, I'm sure you want to see more of these videos. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also guys, at the end, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. If you click on my face below this video, it will take you to my channel page. Once you're on my channel page, just browse around and basically just look for something that might be of interest to you. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.